To our Ray of Hope now, the story of a young child battling a serious heart condition. Well, she's been given a lifeline.
A medical lifeline. That's what Kiwanis, Eastern Canada and the Caribbean District, along with the Chain of Hope, has extended to 8-year-old Alyssa Samuels, who has been ailing from a heart condition for months now. Her family now has the $1.2 million needed for critical medical intervention.
In order for all this to become a reality, we needed additional funds because the grant was just a drop in the bucket for the cost of this particular initiative. And so we had to devise a way of making that possible.
Chain of Hope Jamaica provides support for children up to 14 years old with heart defects who cannot afford the procedure. Diane Edwards is the chairman.
We find children, and we have a long list, waiting list of children who have heart defects and who need surgery. And so what we do is try to raise money for children whose parents can't afford the surgery.
It has been a long road to this point, but Nadine Kelsey, Alyssa Samuels' mother, is hopeful.
It's a great feeling, it's wonderful because it is very expensive, and to me right now I didn't know how I would come up with so much money at once. You know, I've been thinking, how am I going to accumulate so much? What am I going to do? Take a loan, borrow some money, get extra jobs.
As for the medical team, they say they're committed to helping Alyssa and others with similar conditions.
The problem that this particular child has is what we call aortic coarctation, where an area of the aorta is a major blood vessel that takes blood away from the heart. So that blood vessel is narrowed. Now, it can be severe enough that this child would have presented when they were a few days old, okay? So that's one extreme.
Well, today we are extremely grateful to the Kiwanis Club of the Caribbean for their significant contribution of over $1 million to the cardiac surgery of one patient. You know, cardiac surgery is actually very expensive. And it's not just the surgery itself. There's a preparation for the surgery, there's the surgery, and then there's the aftercare and the recovery.
With your Ray of Hope, I'm Nakinsky Robinson.